What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings here in Highland, Indiana. Today we've got a 2022 Lucid Air fully electric vehicle in our shop. We finished up full front of paint protection film. We are Northwest Indiana's premier paint protection film specialists, as well as a 5-year Scylla ceramic coating, Fireball Scylla ceramic coating on all of the paint and the trim and the rims. Now this 5-year coating is going to protect the paint from any tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray, and more from actually ruining the clear coat. And the full front of PPF on the front end is going to protect from rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, and more. Especially with the Lucid being such a flat front here, you really do not want any rock chips hitting, because it's an expensive vehicle and you want to protect your investment. If you want to protect your investment just like this client here did with this Lucid Air, if you have a Lucid, Rivian, Tesla, we are Northwest Indiana's premier paint protection film installers, and we provide the best warranty in the nation. 10-year warranty on all your film, 5-year on the coating. Anytime you get anything repaired, replaced, or repainted, we will recoat for absolutely free. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in. If you want to book an appointment, you can give me a ring at 219-533-8783, 219-533-8783, or shoot me an email at Aaron, AARON, at ATTN, the number 2detail.info, and our website is www.attn, the number 2detail.info. Thanks so much. Aaron out.